and Kings. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, CEO of Pampered by Leash. Today we are going to be sanitizing and cleaning my facial cleanser bottles. In this bowl we have hot water, alcohol, and Dawn dish detergent. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just switching all the bottles around, make sure that the water, the alcohol, and dish detergent gets inside of all of the bottles, the bottle tops, and the foam pumps. Okay, so in the next take, I am going to speed it up so you don't be so bored through this whole process. Place everything downward so the water can drip out, and I at least wait a day before I use the bottles. Thanks for watching.